Hi, I'm Arushika, your career consultant. Everyone in today's time is talking about data science. But is it really worth it anymore in 2026? In this video, I'll tell you everything clearly about it that will help you make a better decision. What exactly is data science and why is everyone talking about it like it's the future? Is it really as powerful as people claim or just another trending buzzword? In the next few minutes, I'll break it down for you in the simplest way possible. What it is, how it works, and whether it's actually worth your time in 2026. Let's start with a very common myth. A lot of people say you can become a data scientist without coding. Technically, that's partially true. You can use tools like Excel, Power BI, and some no-code platforms to analyze data to a certain level. But here's the reality. If you want to become a high-paying data scientist, if you want to solve real-world problems, you cannot avoid coding. At least at a basic level, you need to know Python and SQL. Without coding, you might reach a data analyst level, but to become a true data scientist, coding is essential. And most people wonder if it's still worth in 2026. The short answer is yes, but only if you approach it the right way. The problem today is not that there are no jobs. The real problem is that there is a lack of skilled people. Many people complete courses, collect certificates, but when it comes to real world projects, they struggle. What companies actually want are people who can understand data, extract insights, and help in decision making. And this in demand is only going to increase in 2026 because every company is becoming data driven. And AI systems need data to function. So data science is not dying. The competition is increasing. Now let's clear the biggest confusion. The difference between data science, machine learning, and AI. In simpler terms, data science is about analyzing data, finding patterns, and extracting insights. Machine learning goes one step ahead where system learns from data and make predictions, like price prediction or recommendation systems. And AI is the broader concept where machines are made intelligent like chatbots, automations, or self-driving systems. So in one simple line, data science is about understanding data, machine learning is about learning from data, and AI is about building intelligent systems. And these fields are not separate, they are all connected. Now, if you seriously want to enter this field in 2026, what skill do you actually need? First, a strong foundation. You need basic statistics and mathematics because without that, you won't truly understand data. Then comes programming. Python is the most important along with SQL because most data is stored in databases. Next are tools like Excel, Power BI or Tableau, which helps you visualize data. And as you move forward, you'll need to understand machine learning basics like regression and classifications. But remember one important thing. Companies don't hire certificates, they hire skills. If you can build real projects, solve problems and show practical knowledge, you are already ahead of most people. And now comes the game-changing part. AI tools. If you're not using AI tools today, you already are behind. Tools like ChatGPT can help you with coding, explanations, and learning faster. Google Colab gives you a free environment to practice coding. Power BI helps you build dashboards, and tools like Notion AI can boost your productivity. There are even platforms now where you can build machine learning models with minimal coding. But here's the reality. You need to understand. AI will not replace you, but a person who knows how to use AI definitely can. So instead of fearing AI, start using it as your advantage. So if I summarize everything, you can start without coding, but you cannot grow without it. Data science is still worth in 2026, but only for those who focus on real skills. AI, ML, and data science are not separate. They are part of the same ecosystem. And to succeed, you need both skills and tools. Now the choice is yours. Will you just keep watching videos or will you actually start building skills and change your career? If you're serious about starting your career in data science, then I've added a structure course link in the description. You can check it out and get started today.